mwalimu ngul luda alumnito kotoma okaramoja keda bugisu kesa potu kodumoto achoa kotoma napeta nwe kamanara kede Aboliak pi ko semer lukasinia Eriongiet lo ashoman keda Aboliasho nesda ejai itopolorit Esisianakinak na mwalimu kotoma kronuka pi kwape ipone diope loda elos kitere Ekwenyar a subjecta naka pi kotomo sever lukasinia
jatar kede I benefits lupo kata jadumun skills even Ekwenyar healthy body akonidam eraona dam ne keriana.
All our time we have spent here, we have not seen materials that are bought, apart from that machine you are using for aerobics, that radio. But you look at that table, improvisation only. So you can do wonders in your schools with very, very little cost. Number two, I want you to explain to the students the values of what you are doing, the opportunities they have after that. What opportunities do they have? Then you will you just find them falling in love with what you are teaching.
Dr. Reverend Duncan Mugumuya, Lord Direct Commissioner, Kanuka Physical Education, Yesda Aboliak, Alomunak, Alemar Kotoma Napeta, no Abuburnikin, Idwelu Pesur.
We have men who are massaging the thighs of girls, even when there is no injury, because they are enjoying massaging them. Stop it. Stop it. So you find a sports teacher, a physical education teacher, and they say, hey, Hajara taught us first aid. Then the boys are praying here, the girls are praying here. All men have come to massage the girls. What has happened to the boys? Stop it.
Julius Opaso, Lord Ingarnikit, Esevelo Koteso College Aloet, Esda Aboliak, Alomunak, Ainebe, Ibwaikrete Kesi, Achoangin Tomaso Amisoi.
I want to encourage us to get back to our schools and see with it that we put this training, we put these skills which we have learned into practice.
Gabriel Esiko Kanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.